getting shattered too. Why are they shattering? What's up guys, it's MaCenna and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm kind of challenging myself. Have you guys heard, and let me know in the comments, have you guys heard or watched any videos or any content from a YouTube channel called 5 Minute Crafts or Troom or Blossom, any kind of YouTube channel that's like that where they do these crazy DIYs or hacks for your life, for your home? And have you ever done any of them? Let me know in the comments below if you've actually done some. I've never done any because I've always been like, I can't do that in 5 minutes. What are you guys talking about? Or I totally get tricked and clickbaited into clicking the video because the thumbnail tricks me and I expect to see one thing and it's not even in the video, but I still find myself watching them. I don't know why. Today we're gonna find out if I can actually do a DIY craft from 5 Minute Crafts in 5 minutes. I really don't think that it's gonna happen, but I looked through a bunch of their videos. I found 3 that it's a possibility. I'm a little stressed. I have 3 different ones that we're gonna do today, and we'll see how far I can get in 5 minutes. Okay, so the first 5 minute craft that we're gonna attempt to make in 5 minutes is this letter flower desk or wall art. So it's kind of like a cardboard box that they've cut into the shape of a letter. Then they stick styrofoam in the bottom and then they put flowers. So it seems pretty simple enough. So I've got some pretty flowers. I actually got these at the dollar store, which they're pretty cute. Little cream blush colored roses. And then I picked up some greenery and stuff from Joann's. And I have styrofoam. I cheated just a little bit. I gave myself a little head start. And I already drew out the M, and you can see it's a lot of pieces. 11 pieces to make an M. I was supposed to sit here and measure all of that out. That took me more than 5 minutes. Oh my god, I'm nervous. Okay, time starts now. Cut out the M. My X-Acto knife is not really sharp. It's not sharp. I'm nervous. Ooh. Okay, I did that one really fast. One side's kind of done. Feels like I'm on like a game show, The Amazing Race or something, and I have to make something really fast. Otherwise, I'm not gonna make it through and I'm not gonna win the money. Ooh, maybe I should have like rewarded myself if I could do this. No, because I don't really know that this is gonna be possible. Let me know if you guys think that you could do a 5 minute craft in 5 minutes. Oh my god. Oh my god, no! I don't even have it cut out yet. There's no freaking way. There's no way. This is like the worst cut job ever. It's so ratchet. 20 seconds? 20 seconds! Oh my gosh. No! Fail. This cannot be done in 5 minutes. I only got 1. This one doesn't even count. It's not even a part of the project. 2, 3 pieces. And look how horrible. What the heck? That cut job is bad. But this is still really cute. So I'm gonna finish this because I think it's gonna be really cute. And then we'll see how it turned out. It's not bad. The craft itself is pretty cute. I mean, if I had more time, I wouldn't have left this really pretty foam board sticker on it, but I can paint that. It's not bad, but it did take me like 40 minutes, not 5. So failed the 5 minute craft, but made a cute craft, so I'm not hating it. Okay, so the next one on our list, I'm actually feeling pretty good about this one. This one is a tote bag that they take what I'm assuming is like fresh flowers, not fake flowers, and they just place them on top of the tote bag and then tape it down and then hammer it in, and it dyes the fabric the color of the flower. I'm thinking that's fairly simple, so I think I got this one. So I've got my masking tape, my hammer, I've got these really pretty hydrangea flowers that are kind of like a pinky orange color, which I'm kind of digging. And I don't have a tote bag, but I do have this canvas drawstring bag that's actually from my own collection, Be Free and Wander. If you guys want to check that collection out, bags that are great for hiking, going to the gym, going to the beach, perfect for summer. I'll leave it in the description below if you guys want to check those out. But this one is blank, and I'm going to be putting these flowers on it. I feel like I'm going to get to a point where I'm not really going to tape them down. I'm just going to start hammering because I'm probably going to run out of time. But I think this is going to be a lot easier than the one before. Okay, I'm ready. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Just put it like that. I don't really need to tape it down that well, do I? Oh my god, I'm getting nervous. This is actually a really pretty color flower. Orangey red. You guys, let me know if you have ever tried 5-minute crafts, because this is literally the first time I'm trying them. And these I found are actually pretty cute. Some of them are like, that's crazy. I don't think I would ever want that in my house, or I'm too nervous to try that hack for my makeup. Okay, we're making good time. I'm feeling pretty good. Okay, 2 minutes. I'm gonna start hammering. Okay, 1 minute. Can I like rub it? Oh my gosh. 47 seconds. 60 seconds. I'm so stressed. I'm only gonna get them hammered. I got further than I did before. Okay, okay. It's like subtle. Can you see that? It's like very subtle. Okay, so my hands are red, but it just kind of looks like I just spilled tomato sauce all over my bag. Doesn't look like theirs. Maybe different flowers have like different effects. I don't know, I would consider this a fail for 5 minutes and a fail for result. Moving on. Okay, we've got one more shot at doing one of these dang 5-minute crafts before I completely give up on it. So this one I'm not as confident on because it involves concrete, but we'll see. So this one is kind of like a plate of some kind because it kind of goes up a little bit. They basically cut up CDs and use the backside of the CD, like the holographic side, as granite, and then they spread this mysterious substance all over it, and it kind of fills in the cracks between the CD like grout would, like for a tile, but I don't know if that's grout, so we're gonna use cement and we're gonna do it a little different. So I don't know how it's gonna go. I'm so scared. So I have this like little wooden piece that I've had in my DIY closet for a while, so I figured we would use that. And I've got some CDs. I've got 4 CDs I picked up from Goodwill for 50 cents. Because I literally have no CDs. And they use Mod Podge, but we're gonna go rogue and just use cement. Already mixed up some cement. So you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh, CDs are hard to cut. Okay. And you're just like supposed to like cut them weird. Ow! Oh my god, this is really hard to cut. That's why I have these big scissors. You can probably do a lot of DIY projects with this holographic side of the CDs. It's kind of cool. Not bad, not bad. A little jagged, but it's okay. This one just shattered. Oh my god. That's a sucky CD. This one shattered too. Why are they shattering? What? Some cheap CDs. Oh. Oh yeah, I like this one better. Buy awful CDs. That's enough. We're gonna take our cement. I have no gloves, so I'm putting my hands. Oh, where did my other one go? No! Okay, we're only using one side. One hand. Oh, what am I doing? Is this even real right now? I'm making a mess! We'll smooth it out later. 46 seconds? Obviously, we're gonna have to let this dry because there's no way. Stop being a perfectionist, MaCenna. Just drop them. Oh my god, I need more! I need to cut more! Oh my gosh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. can I never finish it? Once it dries, it'll be a lot lighter in color, I think. I'm gonna actually finish this one and we'll see what it looks like. So obviously we have to let it dry, but this is what it looks like. I think it might look cool, especially if the cement turns out a little whiter than this, but it's the same cement as this table that I actually have in here, so I doubt it, but it could be kind of cool with some candles sitting on top of it. I'm not hating it. Okay, so I pretty much struck out on all 3 of these. I don't know what happened. I really don't think that any of those things are possible to do in 5 minutes. But regardless if I failed at all 3, let me know if you guys liked this video, and if you did, definitely hit the like button below. And I post new videos every week. It could be redoing parts of my home. I just posted my new niece's room that I completely redid. It was a total extreme makeover. So if you haven't checked out that video, I'll link it down below. I would so love if you guys joined my little DIY family and hit the subscribe button below. And I will see you guys next week. Bye guys. Is this backwards? I don't know, I can't tell. I'll wait for the ad to play. I'm getting so tired.